Hi everyone, Erica here from A Sophisticated Notion, and today I am reviewing the Anita 5529 Active Momentum Sports Bra, which is a wire-free style. To avoid having to say that mouthful frequently, I'm just going to refer to it as the 5529. The size is a US 36H or UK 36FF. Since you would order it in the 36H here, that's the size I'm going to refer to it as. So my ribcage currently measures 31.5 inches and my bust is 41.5 inches. That puts me firmly in the US 32J, UK 32G territory. So this being a 36H is actually a sister size of a 32J. Now the thing that you would be most worried about is the band, right? Because it's 2 band sizes bigger than what I measure. However, it's pretty snug. I would say comfortably so on the loosest set of hooks. Now this is not a surprise for me because Anita does tend to run pretty firm, especially compared to UK brands or some American brands like, say, Natori. Oftentimes in the store, people would size up at least 1 band. Their sports bras also run even more firm, so it's not unusual for you to have to size up 2 band sizes to get a comfortable fit around the rib cage. Keep that in mind if you're thinking of ordering. The cup size, however, is perfect. I don't have any gaping, wrinkling, overflow, you name it. Now the fit of this bra is fantastic. This is one of the most comfortable bras I have ever reviewed on this website, and it is definitely my most comfortable bra I currently own. It is really, really amazing. I cannot undersell this. So let's talk about it. For starters, this is a molded cup sports bra. Now I do not mean that this has padding. A lot of times people get confused and they think that molded cup means that it has to have some kind of foam contouring pad in it. It does not. It just means that you really don't have a seamed cup that's going to kind of stretch and contour to your shape. It's going to have its own predefined shape. With molded cup t-shirt bras, this can be a big problem, and I've talked about that in the past. However, sometimes even with ones that are not foam cupped, you can still have fit issues. I don't think that's going to be a problem with this one. Between the coverage, the flexibility of the fabric, it's a really fabulous bra. So it's got a nice level of support. It has good containment. It's definitely full coverage because it's a sports bra. You do have these little sections here. These have a bit of stretch to them. Not a crazy amount of stretch, but it's enough to move with your body. And because of that, my deal breaker, does it rub under my arms, is not a deal breaker. It is super comfortable. It flexes with me. It's kind of low. It doesn't kind of pull into this like sensitive area for me. I love it. The straps are lightly padded here and wider, which means unfortunately they are not fully adjustable. So if you find that you are petite or maybe short-waisted and you often need to tighten your straps down quite a bit, this may not be the style for you. It's just part and parcel for not having the fully adjustable strap. The wings are really nice and wide. I mean, this is a pretty big chunk. And they're this beautiful like aerated fabric, so it kind of allows the air to pass through. And then if you look in the back, it's a nice wide back. You have 4 hook and eye closures, and then you also have the straps being inset closer to those hook and eye closures. What this does is it moves the straps closer to the neck so that as you move, the straps are less likely to move towards the tip of your shoulders. So you don't wind up with it kind of like sliding and sliding and sliding. This is important for a lot of people, particularly with narrower slope shoulders, but it's especially important in a sports bra where you may be doing a lot of aerobic activity or walking or jumping. So it's a really smart move on their behalf. They also have this really thick wide band here, which has a bit of a textural component on the bottom. In the written review, you'll be able to see pictures of that. And what I love about this is it helps to really anchor. Sometimes with wireless bras, the problem is you don't get that individualized separation of the bust, so it doesn't give you the same level of containment and hold. Anita has kind of cleverly sidestepped this problem between the coverage level, the firmness of the fabric on the cup, and then of course having this really wide band. The other thing I really love about this is the profile. This is basically my t-shirt bra. All of my t-shirts are crew necks, so you can't really see the full coverage level of it, and I think it's fabulous. It looks nice and rounded. It's a little bit more minimized. Lately I've been kind of experimenting a bit with more of like a casual, relaxed, maybe even borderline androgynous style, and this bra is the perfect complement to this new direction I'm taking my wardrobe in. Now the price on this is $79, so it's definitely more expensive, but sports bras in general are moving, especially quality sports bras, are moving into the $70 and $80 range. So I would say it's on par with what you're going to get in terms of Panache, Elomi, Wacoal, all of that. They're all kind of moving in that direction. So it's really not as expensive as it sounds. For quality, you are going to pay more. And as far as Anita goes, really they have an excellent track record. I think in the store I only ever had to return one Anita bra because it was like the strap was sewn on backwards, and they were super quick to replace it. Otherwise, the quality of their pieces just last and last and last, and you are really getting what you pay for. I have this sports bra from them, I have a Selma from them, and I have a other sports bra, a gray one, the 5527, which I reviewed several months ago. The gray one is still in perfect condition and I wear that bra all the time, and I wear this one all the time too. So you really cannot argue with what they charge. This is the kind of bra that is not going to fall apart on you in 6 months or a year. It's going to last 2-3 years even. So again, you kind of get what you pay for. Materials, specifically, I already mentioned that this has a molded cup. All of the interior fabric is moisture wicking, and the interior fabric of the cup component is that really soft, almost cottony fabric, so it doesn't chafe, it doesn't rub. Especially, I've heard from people who run, because I don't run, that you can get like nipple chafing if the sports bra has a lot of seams. This style does not have that. It's really nice and comfortable. The 5527 didn't have it either. I already mentioned the straps and the aerated wings, so there's a lot of interesting features that they've included to make the bra more comfortable, more practical, and better for you when you exercise. Aesthetically, I love this. I usually don't get red, but I decided to branch out because it was a sports bra. It's not that I don't like red. I have two different red winter coats, but for whatever reason in the lingerie world, I never seem to get it. And I really like this color. It's actually surprisingly discreet under a lot of clothes, and I love the charcoal accents. I think it's really a nice combination. Usually when you see red, they'll combine it with black or white or something like that, so the charcoal is a really beautiful accent color for it. It's obviously a sports bra. It's very simple, it's very sporty. It's not you know, in a bold print or anything like that. I think right now they have a lime green version with a light gray, and then of course they have your core colors of black, white, and beige. So it's a really great style. It's just a nice everyday sports bra, and for me it's actually just a regular everyday bra. If you haven't tried Anita, definitely give them a shot, and if you're looking for a new wire-free sports bra, or even just a great wire-free bra to wear around the house, on the weekends, what have you, gardening, lawn work, you name it, definitely consider the 5529 from Anita. As always, thanks for watching.